Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, guys.
You look good. You look awesome. That's what I'm talking about.
Roll Tide, baby.
Hey, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. My name is Andy, and today I get to introduce my good friend Anie. Anie, look at the camera right now. Tell the people what's happening.
We're making Alabama helmet.
Yeah, we are. We're making an Alabama helmet right here in the kitchen today. Get your supplies, and we'll see you in the kitchen.
My name is Anie. I'm 25. Alabama, Roll Tide, baby.
Anie and I are going to make an Alabama football helmet with the Alabama A on it, right?
Yeah.
Tell them why we're making an Alabama helmet.
Number one.
Well, tell them.
They're number one.
They're number one. What I've learned about Anie so far is he's not afraid to be a bandwagon fan, because he only roots for the winning teams. So here's a little nugget for you right now. You want to feel like a winner? Do what Anie does. Root for the winning teams. You said your name's Andy and you're 24.
No.
What is it then? Look right here and tell me.
My name's Andy. I'm 28.
Where are we looking? Yeah. You're the homecoming king?
Yeah.
And I'm the Krispie King.
Yeah.
Which one's better?
Between the king.
Yeah, right here. That's what I thought. Sometimes he comes out with his first answer and then changes it. It's kind of like if he's rooting for LSU and then they start losing.
Because Auburn beat us.
Yeah, guarantee he switches who he's rooting for at halftime. Where did you go to high school?
Northgate, and that was it.
What was your favorite part of high school?
Football.
Oh, were you on the football team?
Helping them.
You helped the football team? What kind of things did you do?
Fill the waters up.
Okay, what else?
It was hot. Just to stand there and help them.
Are you an encourager to the guys?
Yep, and they were sweaty.
I need you to cut 4 ounces. We're gonna do a big batch first. Okay, okay. We're gonna sing. We're going one at a time, 2. Cause why would you cut it the 4th? 3.5. Okay. Okay, you know 4 or 5. We like to say appreciate the butter. Right now, this guy is gonna appreciate the butter. So we're gonna have a little extra butter right there. My mom, honestly, would be really proud of Anie.
Your mom?
Yeah, my mom loves her some butter. Most moms said if you had an injury, rub some dirt on it. My mom said rub some butter on it. What's the best part about being 25?
Getting rich.
Getting rich. What 4 words describe you?
Love and handsome.
And?
Pretty looking.
And?
Dating girls.
And?
Having a dog.
Spaghetti or pizza?
Pizza.
The winter or summer?
Winter.
Snow or swimming?
Snow.
M&M's or Snickers?
M&M's.
Movies or TV shows?
Movies.
Football or baseball?
Football.
Football or bowling?
Football.
Football or football?
Football.
That's why you got your apron. Just rub it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's throw this in the microwave, melt it down. Hey, you're feeling good, aren't you? Yeah, I like it. You got a little pace going on? Do you move a lot?
No.
No? You gonna try that one again? Do you move a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like wrestling.
You do like wrestling? What if we wrestle right now? You wanna wrestle right now? Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. You played softball, but softball's over?
Yep.
What other sports do you play?
That's it.
Oh, let's try that again.
Huh?
What other sports do you play?
I used to play basketball. That was years ago.
And?
It was fun. Yep. Bowling too.
Yeah, you do bowling?
Yep.
What's your best score?
200.
Bull.
Yeah.
You got 200?
Yeah.
No, you did.
Yep.
Did you ever compete in Special Olympics?
Yep.
How'd you do?
5th.
All right, we melted it down. We're gonna throw in 16 ounces of marshmallows. You wanna put those in here? Okay. We got 15.9 ounces of marshmallows with hey, I got an idea.
What?
Why don't you just pick up that bowl and pour it in there? There we go. Would you say you're a hard worker?
Yep.
What kind of things do you like to do?
Not mow lawn.
Yeah. So what kind of things do you do at the dog rescue?
Their beds.
You give them their beds?
Yep.
What else?
Walk them and play with them.
I want to know some other things you're really good at.
Lifting boxes.
You can lift some boxes?
Those are heavy. They're heavy. They're like 1,100 pounds.
Yeah. If you could work anywhere, have any job, what would you want to do?
Work at Ford.
Okay, and do what?
Fix trucks that are jacked up.
We want to mix the marshmallows in the butter because we want every marshmallow to soak up the good stuff. Do you want me to show you how, or do you already know how?
I know how.
Oh, no, sir. Get your hands in there. Just blend it all up, like push them way down like that. Get in there. Get them all buttery. We want each one of them to be appreciated. What's it feel like?
Eggs.
Eggs. Okay. I've never known eggs to feel like this. What's more valuable, money or marshmallows?
Marshmallows.
Yeah. You ready for this? Okay, we can't put that in yet. We have to color it first.
Yep.
So we're going with the crimson color.
Yep.
So why don't you put in, turn it upside down and give it a light squeeze. I'll be honest also, I think this...
I just ripped that bag.
Yeah, he just ripped the bag open. Hey man, you do you right here in the kitchen. Okay. Anybody else nervous? Have you been a part of the Rutledge Day program?
Yep. There's a lot of people in there, a lot of girls in there.
A lot of girls in the program?
Yep.
So what kind of things do y'all do?
Clean.
Are you learning how to do that?
Yep.
Would you say you're good at it?
Yep.
Do you like to do it?
Yep.
What don't you like to do other than mow lawns?
Pick up pine cones.
Oh man. We might be here a while.
Looks like deer blood.
Deer blood. If you ever get a job in sales,
No.
unless it's in the hunting industry,
Yeah.
I might not use that analogy. If you're watching and you're already a little bit fired up about what's happening with Anie, if you would hit that like button and also comment below.
Don't comment.
You don't want him to comment?
I do want them to comment.
What do you want him to say?
Blue LSU to Miss Pierce.
All right, go ahead and comment below. We'll give you a couple options. Let us know who your favorite football team is. Let's comment that below. And also, you can comment below if you think you used enough food coloring.
Yep.
I'm gonna start calling you Andy if you keep this up.
No.
Have you heard of Fragile X syndrome?
No.
I'm gonna ask you again. Have you heard of Fragile X syndrome?
Yep.
All right. Can you tell me about it?
It's a disability.
What's a disability?
If you're feeling stressed.
Say it again.
If you feel stressed out,
That's a disability?
yep.
Are you a good reader?
Yep.
What about math?
No.
Not good at math?
No.
So numbers are hard?
Yep.
Usually I butter the cutting board that we put it on.
It's all red now.
But I feel like there's so much butter in here, there was no need to butter.
Good.
Well, we'll finish that off there. Well, I mean, not that. I meant what was already in your mouth. I feel like our mouths are going to be red for the rest of the day. I know you would think we've had enough butter. I want you to rub this into your hands like this.
God.
Yeah. So you want to get the butter on your hands.
This is like dog food, just kidding.
Dogs. Okay, you ain't got to get the back of your hand there. What makes you happy?
Kissing a girl and that's it.
That's it? Oh, yeah. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, that's in Florida.
Oh, you got a long distance relationship.
Yep.
How's that going?
Good.
Y'all talk a lot?
Yep.
How much?
A lot.
What do you like about her?
She has black hair. She's 45. She's an old lady. She has pretty eyes. And I kissed her.
Okay. All right. And how'd you feel inside?
Good.
You know what a helmet looks like, right? So start shaping it to look like that helmet that you want. I feel pretty good about that. Oh yeah, I like how you just pet it like that. Oh yeah. Just run. Okay, okay. Where are we gonna look? What does it mean to be in love?
When you kiss a girl,
And how do you feel?
happy,
Do you want to be married one day?
maybe. It's hard to get married. But not.
Look at the camera, tell them what we're doing.
Marshmallows in there.
But don't tell me. I know what we're doing. You tell them.
We're putting
Look at that camera
marshmallows
right
in
there.
here.
Okay, look at that camera. Tell them.
We're putting marshmallows in the pan.
That's right. What color are we gonna do now?
Gray.
We're gonna do gray. What's the first step? No, think about what did we do last time?
The butter.
Okay, how much? Okay, we did 4 last time. This time I only want 2. Great. We're gonna do about 2.5 or so. 2 2/3. A lot of people measure in the kitchen. Do we measure?
No.
No. No. No, we don't. What's it mean to be married?
If you're engaged.
Okay, and why do people get engaged?
And they get married. And they kiss. Like,
Oh, so they went on dates and then they
drink and get married.
drank and get married. Okay.
They drink water and that's
They drink water. Okay. So you did say that we're gonna make a Florida Gator, right?
No.
Georgia?
No.
An Auburn helmet today.
No.
All right, we're gonna do Alabama. Okay, you know what's happening right now? We're gonna pour in around roughly 8 ounces of marshmallows. Hey, don't miss this right now is,
What?
well, I was really talking to them.
Yeah.
Oh, is that cool?
Yeah.
All right. One of the things I'm learning about Anie right now is he's a quick learner. So many times we value reading a recipe and thinking somebody should learn from that. But in reality, I think friends like Anie and really all of us learn best when someone shows us and then we do it. We want to show them how to do something, let them kinesthetically learn with hands-on. They can visually see what's happening, reaching so many different senses, and then they repeat what they saw and what they experienced.
Yeah.
And I would think in most jobs, if we were doing this for everyone, especially for our friends who have so many different abilities, if we were doing that for them, you might be able to provide a place for them to thrive, that vocationally the doors would open up. So would you consider that as you are looking at your next hire, whatever that is, if it's a dog rescue, because you've been at a dog rescue place, whether you're working in a corporation, because whatever it looks like, would you consider what the on-ramp looks like? How you are providing training opportunities for people of all abilities? Because I wonder if you did that, how much it would change the culture of your organization and how not just people like Anie would thrive, but trust me, you throw Anie in the middle of your team, your whole team begins to thrive.
Yeah.
How to be a good husband.
Oh gosh. Not to argue. No snorting. No kissing.
Okay. Well, that's unfortunate.
Yep.
Good job on learning that. You learned really fast. Is that how you learn best?
Yeah.
Is about watching?
Yeah.
Are you just saying yeah, or is that really how you learn best?
That's how I'm learning.
Yeah, I thought you did really great by watching what we were doing and quickly you learned how to do it. So this is something that if you just keep repeating it, even kind of like working on the cars and things like that, I think if you just keep trying those new and have somebody show you, you can probably do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
Good.
Here's the deal. If Anie likes it, I like it. Here's the thing. It's
Go shave my beard.
Yeah, I'm gonna go shave my beard off. This is Anie's creation. Hey man, this is gonna look good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get this thing covered.
Covered in guts.
Yeah, covered in guts.
Did not just say that.
So why don't you put in just a touch more? And we'll, okay, you can do that. How are you? Just a touch more.
Triple H, baby.
Triple H. So who's your favorite wrestler?
Undertaker.
What's the Undertaker do? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the Undertaker. Let's try it again. Ladies.
Don't eat that. Do not eat that.
Ladies and gentlemen.
No.
I haven't even said it yet. Not yet. Ladies and gentlemen, the Undertaker. Why don't you put in a touch more? I don't think it's gonna I like your technique.
Yeah.
When you pour a bowl of cereal at home, is that how you pour a bowl? You just reach in and fill it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you ever want to live on your own?
No. That's too boring.
You want to have your family around?
Yep.
Well, what if you end up getting married? Are y'all just going to live with your mom and dad?
Yep.
How do you think she's going to feel about that?
Like a good looking woman?
What did you learn about food coloring?
Huh? I put drops in it.
Yeah, should we put drops or should we squeeze it?
Squeeze.
No.
Drops. Don't eat that.
If the Undertaker eats this, what's his face gonna look like?
Black.
Yeah. Now what's our dance move? Which is this your dance move? That's a boxing move. Look at one boxing move. Is that your dance move?
Yeah.
You're like a wedding boxer. Tell me about some of your friends. What do you like to do with your friends?
Talking on the phone all night.
Okay, you talk on the phone with them. What else? So what do you want to do? Do you want to go out and hang out with your friends? Is that something you like to do?
Yeah.
Is it hard to do that?
Yeah.
Why do you think that's hard?
Because of COVID.
Yeah, because of COVID. Has COVID been tough for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me about it. What's been tough?
Protesting.
Yeah. How do you feel about it?
Get bad.
Is it scary?
Yeah, when they throw the skateboard in the CNN.
Yeah. Yeah, so you watched on the news some protesting. It is a little scary.
That was like SpongeBob.
When you get angry, what do you do?
Just kick the wall.
When you're sad, what do you do?
Run around and go, Mommy!
When you're lonely, what do you do?
Sleep.
When you're hungry, what do you do?
Eat dogs, just kidding.
As we're putting the face mask on right now, if you're liking this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like Cakes and Conversations, if you'd hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell next to it, it actually sends you notifications of what's going on. I'm gonna cut them, and I want you to place them like this, and we're gonna connect them all the way around. Hey, we did it right here. We did the Alabama football helmet. Anie, tell the people how you felt about it today.
Good.
What was your favorite part?
The helmet and everything.
The helmet and everything?
Yeah.
What was the hardest part today?
That.
Yeah, doing the face mask. This Alabama helmet was awesome.
Yeah.
You did an incredible job with it. You're a quick learner. You knew exactly what you wanted, and you kept working toward it. Those are great leadership qualities. And we believe that every creation is beautiful.
Yeah.
And everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen. Look at him, tell him we'll see you in the kitchen.
See you in the kitchen.
No, you gotta look at
See
him.
you in the kitchen.
Look, no, tell him.
See you in the kitchen, Alabama.
No, tell him. See you in the kitchen. Just tell him right there. Just tell him.
See you in the kitchen.
Hey, listen. Tell him.
See you in the kitchen.
See you in the kitchen. Andy. All right.
That was weird.
That was weird.
Let's go shave our hair off.
Let's do it.